Why is Disney stock suffering? How come this once blue chip company is going against its peers and sliding in price in the stock market? Well, if we look at the numbers, they do indeed tell a story. First of all, let's explore. Is there something wrong with revenues? No, indeed. If we look at macro trends, we can see that Disney's revenue has more than doubled since 2011, and with the exception of the pandemic year of 2020, they've seen yearly increases ever since. So they're clearly pushing more products, selling more subscriptions, people are visiting their theme parks, and indeed this was one of the reasons for the 2020 drop, people not visiting the closed theme parks. So it's not revenue. How come this company has slid by more than 30% on a 5-year basis? Well, we can take a look at some first-class journalism here from Forbes, commenting on how the stock hits a 9-year low. And this was a few months ago, and they talked about the stock trading at 84. As you can see, it's trading at 80 now, so it has still not recovered. And in this article, they are indeed pointing at profitability. So they see that in terms of earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, these have dwindled. And we will take a look at this in macro trends as well to see what's going on in terms of earnings per share, just to get a nice graph for you guys. So let's press earnings per share and scroll down to recent years. So we can see in terms of what's been going on here for trailing 12 months, we can see data from 2009 up until today. And we can see that there was a clear growth trend in the past, and then all of a sudden it dropped off. This is in 2020. And the company has still not recovered from this hit. How come? Have they lost their magic touch? Could potentially be. So in terms of why Disney stock is down, we now know that this is due to lacking profitability. And those of you who had a keen eye would have been able to see it from this first picture alone, because there's one of the key indicators that's quite off in the case of Disney stock. Comment below which one it is. As always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.